Hi, Annie.
Hey, Shelby.
What you doing?
I'm putting some of my favorite things in my time capsule.
What's a time capture?
It's not a time capture, it's a time capsule, but it does capture some amazing memories.
What are you remembering?
I'm remembering my amazing year as Miss Mississippi.
What's this for?
Well, it's a map, and it helps remember all the amazing places and people I've met, and the people have been the best part.
What about this?
Well, that's a textbook, and this program actually helped me earn money for college, and I think that's the coolest part.
What if you had a time machine?
Ooh, I'd probably go back and I'd do it all again.
Really?
Yep.
What about this? Is it going in the time capsule?
I think I better keep that. It's honestly been the best reminder of my year.
Is that everything you're putting in here?
I think so.
Well, I better go. Bye, Annie.
Bye, Shelby. Wait, Shelby,
Yeah?
I think you should keep this.
Really? Thank you. Wow.
It's probably going to be yours one day anyway.
I lit the fire, then drank the water. I slammed the door and stood standing all alone. I wrote the story, I turned the pages, I changed the end like everybody said I would. You should have seen me coming. I never thought of running. It's what I get for loving you.
Tonight we celebrate 90 years of Miss Mississippi. Wearing their custom-made blue Delta jeans, it's time to meet the 38 ladies vying for the title of Miss Mississippi 2023.
I am Savannah Faith Sylvest, Miss Pearl River Community College.
I'm Madison Delancey, Miss Rankin County. I am Miss Oxford Riley Thrasher.
I am Erica Wheeler, Miss Warren County.
I am Meredith Sides, Miss Lafayette County.
I'm Angel Gail Lang, Miss Hattiesburg.
I'm Neely Robertson, Miss Leaf River Valley.
I'm Vivian O'Neill, Miss Pine Belt.
I am Brittany Diaz-Roman, Miss Pearl River County.
I am Madeline Thompson, Miss Turtle Creek.
I'm Avery Claire Littleton, Miss Barnes Crossing.
I am Anna Catherine Thompson, Miss Mississippi State University.
I'm Maddie Stevens, Miss Delta State University.
Landry Payne, Miss New South.
I'm Abigail Church, Miss Midtown.
I am Bailey J, Miss Natchez Trace.
Caitlin Perry, Miss Biloxi. I'm Lydia Bishop, Miss Meridian. I'm Kat Adcox, Miss Southern Magnolia.
I'm Michaela Looper, Miss Presley Heights.
I'm McKaylee Bray, Miss Hope City.
Tierra Jackson, Miss Golden Triangle.
I'm Shaylin Hudson, Miss Tupelo.
Becky Williams, Miss Metro Jackson.
Sarah Randolph, Miss Heartland.
Derica Watts, Miss Historic Downtown.
Sarah Payton Edwards, Miss Lee County.
Morgan Nelson, Miss Vicksburg.
Hello, Mississippi. I am JC Tungett, Miss Fair Park. Addison Poole, Miss Starkville. Freeland Beck, Miss Hines Community College.
I am Devin Dowd, Miss Red Hills.
Hello to everybody. My name is Crystal Hughes, Miss All-America City.
Hi, Mississippi. I'm Lauren Barron, Miss Domaina Oxford.
Carson Ulmer, Miss University of Southern Mississippi.
Hey, Mississippi. My name is Allie Hopper, Miss University.
I'm Charity Lockridge, Miss Jones County.
Natalie Kanoki, Miss Capital City.
Welcome to the stage, Broadway star Joseph Morales and Miss Mississippi 2014, Jasmine Murray. Miss Mississippi 1962, Charlie Carroll Ray, and Miss Mississippi 1989, Cherry Busby Stone. The Miss Mississippi Dancers, and the star of our evening, Miss Mississippi 2022, Emmy Perkins. Welcome our hosts for the evening, Jonathan Brannon and Miss Mississippi 2006, Taryn Fauché Ward.